If you are looking to make an excellent coffee at home, then this Breville Duo Temp is a great choice. You can use the machine for any kind of espresso-based drinks, like single shots or double shots, cappuccino or latte, americano or flat white. There are two basic modes of operation: brewing on the one hand, and on the other hand, steam/hot water. On the right-hand side of the machine, you see the steaming wand, which you can use for frothing or heating up milk. This model solves one of the biggest problems that we have with high-end espresso machines, namely that they're too complicated. With many other models, there are so many factors to consider when brewing espresso, like water pressure, temperature, tamping pressure, expression time, and more. With this Duo Temp model, two of those factors are fixed, namely pressure and temperature. And that means that this model is a great choice for beginners who still want a high-end coffee experience at home. The machine comes with everything you need out of the box, including this tamper, which you can store here on the left side of the machine. You get single and double-walled filter baskets, and you get this aluminum jug for frothing milk. The one thing that you will have to supply yourself is a high-quality grinder. You can see the Eureka Mignon here on the right-hand side of the machine. Here's a pro tip about heating milk in that aluminum jug. Don't hold it by the handle. You'd never want the milk to get too hot. So instead, hold the jug in your hands, and when the jug gets too warm to hold, then you know that your milk is the right temperature. One of the best features of the Breville Duo Temp is that it heats up in around 30 seconds. Many of the bigger machines aimed for coffee shops, they're gonna take 15 minutes to heat up. But because this only takes 30 seconds using this high efficiency coil, you're actually gonna use this on a daily basis. Another great feature of the Duo Temp is this pre-infusion function. This is going to soak the beans under low pressure before the pull itself, and this is going to prevent channeling in your coffee, and as a result, you will get a smoother coffee in your cup. If you are looking for a high-end espresso machine that is easy to use for beginners and heats up quickly, definitely check out the Breville Duo Temp. Learn more about the Breville Duo Temp with a link in the description below the video. To learn more about that excellent coffee grinder that I mentioned, click or tap the screen right here to watch my full video about the Eureka Mignon coffee grinder. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.